Hello guys, good day and welcome to another new video on the light bag collection. So what we'll be talking about today on this channel is this particular bag. The last time I post a weekly update, I showed this particular bag and some of you requested for how I make it and the basic measurements. So on this particular video I will attempt to tell you guys and show you or explain to you how I take the measurements and make this particular bag. So as you can see, this is how beautiful the bag is. So in just few seconds now, I will be showing you the illustration on a book and how everything is being made. We'll talk more about it. But this particular bag, before we proceed, it is made in different panel. We have the front panel, we have the back panel. The front is in the other side. So let's say this is the front panel, this is the back panel. We have the side bottom and the which is side right, the bottom and the side left. It is cut in one pieces. Then we have our handle, which is cut differently, which is this first hand, the second hand. Then we have this particular one. Then we have this side you are seeing in the inner as well. So as you can see, we have one panel, two panel, three panel, four panel, five panel, six panel, seven panel, and this as well. This is double 7, 8, 9. But I'll be explaining and telling you how the measurements we use in getting this particular one we use to hold the magnetic snap, which serve as the closure to the TOTE bag. So I hope you guys will stay tuned to watch this to the end of the video, and if you do enjoy it, give this video a giant thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Interesting tutorial coming this year. Thank you guys for being here. For the new people that just subscribe, we do appreciate you guys, and sorry for the delay in video. I'm planning on making new video and interesting one on the channel, and I've been so busy, so that's the reason why we've not been posting. But I still do apologize for days to come, because probably there will be some delay as well, but we are working on that to achieve a greater content on this channel. So thank you guys, and let's proceed to the making the rest of the video. So guys, this is the basic measurement. As you can see, the height of the bag is 12 and the length of it is 15, while the depth of it is 5.5. So as you can see, in between the handle is 5 inch. This particular side I will be showing you now on the bag is 8.5 by 2.5. That's how long it is from this particular side to the other side for it to lock on the magnetic snap is 8.5. Then the wideness of it is 2.5 inch. Then the inside, there's a stuff we put inside here to give the bag reinforcement. Actually, we use it to sew the hand together so that you won't see the rough side of the hand. So that is 2.5 inch. Actually, it's measured the same thing by this. So we remove half inch from this particular side, half inch from here on this particular one here. So it's going to give you 2 inch by 14 inch. Then the handle, our handle is 17 by 2 inch. So this is the basic measurements on the bag. So let me use the bag now to explain for you for a better understanding. So this is the hand. As you can see, the hand is being cut full, and the hand I say is 17 by 2.5. So from here to here is 2.5. You know, we put a pipe inside and a marco, so and wrap it with this. So that's the reason why. Then this particular side we are seeing that I say is 8.5 by 2.5. As you can see, it is the closure for the bag where the magnetic snap is. So this is 8.5 by 2.5. The wideness is 2.5, while the longness is 8.5. Then this particular side is the one I was talking about from the inside. As you can see, this side from the inside, which we use in covering the hand, that is measured. This is from here to here is 2, and from here to the other side is 14, because we have to cut down a half inch, or let's say 14.5, just to move a half inch where you'll be able to stitch this together. So basically, for you to get this particular side, from the right, the bottom to the left hand side, is for you to take the basic measurement of this particular side. So once you take the basic measurement, you cut out your marco. So on this particular bag, actually we use two basic interface material, which is the carry board and the marco. The black one I used to use on the channel, and the board the, I think, reddish board I use. So that's what I use. So the main front panel and the back panel here is the board, while the side here and the handle is the Mako. Because of this particular side, you need it to be able to fold this way. That's the reason why we use Mako. And as you can see, the under, we have our bag. So as I said, we have our bag fits on it as well. So the front side you are seeing, which contain this right up, it's actually 3 inch. As you can see from this particular place, I said it's 3 inch, but when you want to cut it, because we print on it, you are going to cut up to 5 inch or 4.5 inch. So you'll be able to fold it and sew it. Then the side as well, when you want to use your fabrics, you are going to, your fabrics basically, if you are using this Aso-OKE fabrics, the wideness of it is actually 6 inch. So it's better for you to cut the Mako. The side here should be 5 inch by whatever measurement you take from here to this particular place, so that you will be able to sew it down. Because as you can see, if you check this very well, this is where we sew it down from the rough edge, and we didn't need this particular Mako to come all the way here, because it will be very, very stiff on the machine for us to sew. So that's the reason why we give a space. And if you check this particular place again, if you check the way I do this side now, you see this is where the Mako is stopping. So we didn't sew the Mako. The same thing applicable to the other side. So if you take this measurement from here to this particular side, you see that it's going to give you either 5 or maybe below 5, or maybe a little bit above 5. So that's the bag for you guys. I hope you love this particular video. If you do, give this video a giant thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and expect more interesting video that will be coming on the channel, as we are planning on some interesting video we'll be making on this channel for you guys. So, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.